here we are inside the studio. Let's head out around the coast. Our crews are out there to get an update.
News 8's Kyle Jones is live in Wells Beach this morning. Good morning, Kyle. What can you tell us?
Yeah, hi guys. So we're here in the parking lot right along Route 1, and as you see, we've already got a significant amount of snow that's accumulated over the storms, and we're only adding more to that today. Now here the winds are blowing through, causing a lot of those snow drifts that we've seen throughout the storm systems that we've had, and today the drifts are piling up, and along the roads out here the snow is blowing. There's a soft pack that's there, but the winds are kicking up that snow that's on the ground, so that already is making some tough conditions. Now we have seen plow crews here. There's a gas station just behind us. They've come and they're getting filled up, and we've seen them circle in and out, but as they are coming through to clear these roads and to clear this pack that's down, they're kicking up the snow as well. One just drove by before we came on and gave us a big gust of snow as well. So we've got that going on too. So if you're out and about today, later on, if for any reason you have to go out, just be sure that you're careful, because those roads are kind of hard to decipher. You might be in, see some pavement at one spot and then move over and see a snowdrift in the next. And so you want to also make sure you stay out of the way for the plows, because they are able to move in and out a lot faster when there are people that are not on the roads and they're not in the way. So we've seen them come and they're hard at work. We've seen them out here, and as we said, this wind is just kicking up and moving that snow all around.